Being vegan allows you to be creative, it allows you to think out of the box, and it allows you to kind of figure stuff out. Let's keep it easy. Hey guys, I'm Shantae from naturalveganmama.com, where we're all about showing you how easy this vegan lifestyle can be. Today I got 2 quick, easy ways that you can make anything vegan. That's right, you can make anything vegan. You can make anything vegan?
We can make anything vegan.
So my first tip for making anything vegan is to make swapping your best friend. Learn how to make recipe swaps. So you're going to take your favorite vegan items and then also vegan items that are maybe just new to you and you're trying to figure out how to make this delicious recipe vegan. You're going to swap out items that are not vegan. So for example, you might come across a recipe that calls for heavy cream. What you're going to do is make some cashew cream. You can do cashew cream, you can do coconut cream. There's so many different types of things that you can use to replace the cream that it calls for. Do the same thing with butter, do the same thing with milk. Get creative with it. Now, if you're kind of new to cooking or you're not just that great at it or you really don't like it, you can definitely look up recipes that are already vegan and then just go that route. But if you're a little bit creative, you like cooking, and you've been cooking certain meals for a long time, don't be afraid to use your recipe that is already fabulous and swap out the non-vegan items for vegan items. All right, so my second easy way to make anything vegan is when you're in a restaurant. So let's say you go to a restaurant and they don't have any vegan options that are like obvious vegan meals on the menu. What you can do is take a non-vegan meal and make it vegan. So my favorite example for this is eggs Benedict or like an eggs Florentine. I had this delicious meal at this diner where there were, the English muffins were already vegan, but they topped it with eggs and cheese and spinach and tomato. And what I did was I had the same item with the English muffin. I had it with spinach. I swapped out the egg and cheese for avocado, and I asked for extra spinach, and I topped it with the avocado, and I asked for extra tomato, and it was delicious. So I will try to find the picture and insert it so you can see what it looks like. Don't be afraid to ask for swaps when you go to restaurants. They're definitely more than happy to accommodate you, and you will also start having people around you start looking at what you're eating like, wow, that looks really good. And you'll be planting seeds in other people to show them that it's not that difficult and that if they've been thinking about doing it, that they can do it too. Another delicious restaurant item that I like to swap out and make vegan is the fajitas. So I love to take fajitas at any kind of restaurant and tell them I don't want meat. Instead of the meat like the chicken or the steak, instead of that, I want to do beans. So if they have black beans, great. Just make sure they're not flavoring the black beans with pork or any type of meat. But if they have black beans, great. If they have pinto beans, great. Any type of bean is a fabulous replacement for meat and fajitas. And if I have a picture of one of the examples of that where I went out and did that, I'll insert it as well. All right, guys, that's all for today. This is your quick tip on how to make anything vegan. Talk to you later. A really big giveaway coming up with lots of vegan products, so make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss the announcement.